Okay, Sonny, how far do you think we're going to hike today?
28 down to the lake.
Mile.
A mile? Oh, boy.
Let's go to the bathroom first.
Yeah, let's go to the bathroom.
What if we're thirsty?
Drink your spit.
I already bought me a drink.
Yeah, that's almost gone.
Hey! I bought me
Oh, excuse me. Okay. Yeah, I'm an OG in a minute, boy. Okay, go on. Go to the bathroom. We're going to go pee. Go pee now.
We can pee in the forest.
Oh, see that? Oh, my goodness. We got some of them here. A little kitty. And a scary kitty.
No, I gave Nick
Oh, yeah. Mount. Oh, yeah.
Come on, people! We gotta get down before we get up! We gotta get up before we get down! I just need something. Dad, I think that
Someone's making a collect call.
Dad, the demon is the woods.
The demon of the woods ain't gonna get us yet. It ain't dark enough. The demon of the woods. You will tonight. Stay tuned for our scary stories, too. That's what we got. Identify your snake. Watch out for that stuff, too. That's very itchy. There's a map. You can see it. Pretty into this. Kids don't know how to act. That's okay. Other people can't inside. This is the road we're taking. We're going to go very far. Part 2 of our hiking trip will continue.